Good morning, it's Thursday and we're at the bakery. We're gonna get some cookies like promised. Oh, it looks like we don't have them. So, went to the bakery, got myself a chocolate bread. There is this thing with it I don't like. And then there is a croissant. So there is a croissant. And there is a chocolate bread, but on top of the chocolate bread, I never ordered it actually at the bakery. I just remembered. They put like extra sugar. So, but it looks good. It really looks good. So I'm gonna take a bite of it. This is a long time ago. Oh, it's so good, but yeah, in Cambodia they were also pretty fine. This is not the best I ever had, but today I will be working a lot for school, and I think that's it. And that's the most important part of today. It's the layer and the butter that makes it like better. It tastes. This is better than the ones I had. This is a normal croissant here. There is so many flies in my house, and there is dust everywhere. So I know I need to start to clean. So I cannot see through my windows anymore. I'm a little bit bored. I did something for school before, but yeah, I have to start cleaning. It's the only thing I can think of that is like doable at the moment. I got french fries. Oh, this is a long time ago. French fries. Real ones. They're really good. I also got this snack. It's curry roll with ketchup, mayo, and onions, and we call it an kilo special. Really, such a long time ago. I'm gonna cut the piece out. It's like this fake meat, and they fry it and they put sauce on it. Yeah, a long time ago. Really good, but a long time ago. It's really cool. You see the moon when it's still daylight. It's like, I think 8 o'clock here. No, it's, yeah, around 7:30 probably. So, but it's cool. It's the moon. I've got a star. I want to build it again. I got some tools to rebuild it from the basements. And I'm gonna try to rebuild the star. Okay, the zip wrap is off. It works. Maybe not perfect, but it works. The star is in Belgium. It's something, it's a lot of zip wrap. So I have a complete star here, and as you can see, the frame is still alive, so I have to build mine again. And I have a hammer because there are some needles in it, and yeah, maybe they're like bended or something, so I have to redo it. So rebuilding my star. She's alive and in Belgium. Ah, this is really awesome. The star is like complete, but it's really big. I was thinking of putting it here. I wanted to hang it on the lamp here, but it's too big. So I was thinking to hang it here, but it's still like really big if I hang the little star under it, because I don't know where to hang the little star otherwise. So yeah. This is it's too big. This is really funny to see. This is really funny to see. And I need to change it, but I'm not sure in what yet. But it's really from a long time ago. The star is so cool. I'm super happy with it, but it's really big. I'm super tired. I'm gonna go to bed. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow and have a nice day. Bye.